grew up in this neighborhood. Things floating around.
Yeah.
What you got here? What's the I want some puff puff. Got me here. I'm eating puff puff.
Puff puff.
Puff puff is good. So while I'm eating puff puff stuff in my mouth, just tell me what's going on with the Nigerian cuisine.
Okay, Nigerian cuisine. This is Mama Afrique Nigerian Cuisine. We are here in Cincinnati, Ohio. So we serve the Tri-county area anyway. So we specialize in Nigerian food such as Jollof Rice, oxtail, jerk chicken, just name it, any kind of fish you want. And then if you are from Nigeria and you want the real inside Nigerian food like a goosey soup, fufu,
Come and see you.
You come and see me. And then like you have puff puff now. It's kind of like a donut, but it's kind of different.
It's better than donut.
Thank you. We have something we call meat pie. It's like empadama. Yeah. So I came up with this concept because there is no Nigerian restaurant around, and people are eager, to eat good, delicious food from Africa, especially Nigeria. When they hear Nigerian jollof rice, they go for it. So I started by catering for people for events, and I see how Black Americans and people look like me and other tribes, they like the food. So I'm like, you know what? I need to get it out there for them. And I started with a food truck. Very soon we are going to go for
Puff puff.
we are going to open a brick and mortar because people are asking and trying to make larger orders that the food truck cannot contain. So we are going to open a brick and mortar very soon at Korean Avenue.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you for the puff puff.
Yeah.
Puff puff gone. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you too.
I'll be back.
Yeah.
It was 6 of them in there, but see, what happened was